In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a web link in a PDF using Foxit Reader. Whether you're preparing an important document for work or simply sharing information with friends and family, embedding clickable links within your PDFs can be incredibly useful. Foxit Reader, along with Foxit PDF Editor if you have it, offers a straightforward way to accomplish this task. So, let's get started. First, you want to open your PDF with Foxit Reader. If you have Foxit PDF Editor, that will work as well. Once your document is open, navigate to the page where you'd like to place your clickable link. Make sure to zoom in or adjust the page view to ensure precision when placing the link. Next, head over to the toolbar. You'll want to access the link creation tools. Depending on your version, this can be found under Home by selecting Links and then Link. Alternatively, you might go to Tools, then Advanced Editing Tools, and choose the Rectangle Link tool. These tools will enable you to create a clickable area on your PDF. Now comes the fun part. With your chosen tool, click and drag to draw a rectangle or an area around the text or object where you want the link to be. This area will transform into a clickable hotspot, allowing your PDF readers to easily access the intended website. Take your time to ensure the rectangle encompasses everything you want it to. Once you've set the area, a Create Link dialog box will appear. This window allows you to customize the appearance and function of your link. You have the option to set the border thickness, style, and color to make it stand out or blend in with your document, depending on your preference. Then, in the same dialog, move to the destination options. Here, you'll select Open a web link, or something similar, and proceed to the next step. You'll be prompted to enter the URL of the web page you want the link to direct to. For instance, you might enter something like https://example.com. Make sure you input the correct URL, as this is the address your readers will be taken to. After entering the URL, go ahead and confirm or click OK to finalize the link creation. Congratulations, you've now added a web link to your PDF. To wrap things up and ensure all your hard work is saved, be sure to save your PDF document. This step is critical to retaining any changes you've made, including your newly created link. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a clickable web link into your PDF using Foxit Reader. This simple yet powerful feature can improve the interactivity and professionalism of your PDFs significantly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.